Now let's take a look at this problem. We got x. Let's try it again. Okay, x minus 15 square root of x plus 54 equal to 0. Now this is a U-substitution problem, and the reason I know it's a U-substitution is if you can take the middle part here, excluding the coefficient number in front of it. So if we can take the square root of x, raise it to the second power. Now when we raise it to the second power, remember a square root and a second power cancel each other. It gives us x. When it gives you this first part here, that's a U-substitution. Now our steps for a U-substitution. First step says to let the middle part be equal to u and the first part be equal to u squared. So that gives us u squared minus 15u plus 54 equals 0. Now step 2 is to solve for u. Well, this one we have to factor, and we'll factor this using the PSD method. The reason why it's PSD is because we got u squared, no number in front of our u squared. Now with the PSD, we take the number at the end, ignoring signs, so we're working with 54, and we come up with our 3 columns. We got our P column, or product, where we list all products 54. We got 1 times 54, 2 times 27, 3 times 18, 4 no, 5 no, 6 times 9. Now the S column, we add these numbers together. 1 plus 54 is 55, 2 plus 27 is 29, 3 plus 18 is 21, 6 plus 9 is 15. Difference column, we subtract the smaller from larger. 54 minus 1 is 53, 27 minus 2 is 25, 18 minus 3 is 15, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now, a number we're always looking for is a number in a middle term, which is 15, which is right here, which means I'll use 6 and 9. Now, our larger number we're using, which is a 9, will always be same sign as the middle term, which is negative. Now, if the number we circled in the S column, the signs would be the same, S for same. Since this one's negative, this one has to be negative. Now, the zero factor property. The zero factor property says you get 0 on one side and you factor the other side. You set each factor equal to 0. So I'll set u minus 6 equal to 0, and I'll set u minus 9 equal to 0. Then it gives us u is equal to 6 and u is equal to 9. Step 3. Plug u equals blank back in and solve for x. Whatever you said u was right up here, this middle part is always what we're going to plug back in. So we're going to put the square root of x in for the u. So we got square root of x is equal to 6, and we got square root of x is equal to 9. Now to solve for x, these are radical equations, and we'll square both sides. So that's going to give us x, because remember the square root and the second power cancel each other. And 6 squared is 36. And here we'll square both sides. And that gives us x is equal to 81. Maybe. Because anytime you raise both sides to a power, you have to check your answers. If I put this back up here, put 36 here, that's 36. If I put 36 here, that's square root of 36 is 6. 6 times 15 is 90. 36 plus 54 is 90. 90 minus 90 gives you 0. So that one checks. Now 81. If I put 81 here, square root of 81 is 9. 9 times 15 is 135. Yeah, 135. Now 81 plus 54 is 135, minus 135 gives you 0. So both of those check. And that'd be that problem.